Have you ever wondered what exactly makes up our solar system? We see the sun and the moon, but there is an entire cosmic neighborhood right outside our window. At the very center of it all is the sun, a massive, glowing ball of hot gas. It contains over 99% of all the mass in the solar system. Its incredible gravity is the invisible glue holding everything together. Orbiting the sun are 8 planets. The inner 4, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are terrestrial planets made of solid rock and metal. Beyond them lie the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, which are massive worlds made mostly of swirling gases. Finally, we have the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune, freezing worlds located at the dark, outer edges of our system. But it isn't just planets. Our solar system is filled with hundreds of moons, dwarf planets like Pluto, and millions of rocky asteroids and icy comets. If you could safely visit any planet, which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Mind Pop Central.